Have you ever thought about becoming wealthy by investing in real estate? Well, we want to teach you how. I'm Walter Lepe, CEO of Lepe Temple Properties, top 1% realtor in the county. And this message is for all of you realtors that don't have real estate investments, which is a lot of us, and all you potential investors that have been thinking about it, not too sure on how to do it. We're gonna have a really cool seminar for you guys, and where we're gonna go over two types of investments in real estate. One is long-term wealth, buy and hold, and then the other one is buy and flip. Okay, so fix and flip properties. So some of the topics we're gonna cover is how to flip a property from A to Z. We're gonna show you how to source the property, how to figure out whether it's a good deal by running the numbers, how to look at and evaluate the property and see how much work it actually needs, and then how to write the offer, get your offer accepted, close the deal, flip it, or potentially the next thing we're gonna talk about is wholesale, okay, and assignments, how to do that, how to make quick pops without any of your own money. We're gonna teach you how to use other people's money in those flips. We're gonna also talk about long-term investing, okay? How to buy a property so it just cash flow, and then on a monthly basis you receive a check, okay? Mailbox money. So it's gonna be a really cool class. It could be for beginners, intermediate, and experts, okay? There's gonna be two of us teaching the class, and we're gonna show you a lot. So if you wanna RSVP, please go to our account and click on our bio, and then you'll be able to go ahead and RSVP there. If you have any questions, feel free to DM us. See you then.